Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing good, and I just wanted to record this video and talk to you guys about how my trading session went yesterday into today. So basically Sunday into Monday. It was a very crazy day yesterday. So yeah, I happened to be in an Ethereum USD trade setup yesterday around 7 p.m. and you know I happened to be in an unexpected price movement, right? So basically what I'm saying is that okay, I happen to be in a sell and the market is buying, right? So the market was appreciating in value rather than dropping in value. So it was a very crazy moment for me and my account. So I was basically floating I think a total of minus, let me say, 2000 USD to 3000 USD drawdown on that particular trade. So let me show you guys the setup on the trade, what I saw and everything, and I'll show you guys how it ended. So all right guys, so this is one of the account that I traded yesterday, and it's a real account, guys. As you can see, real MT5 XNES. So this is an account on XNES. So as you can see, the profit on this account, I made about 600 USD on this particular account, right? You can see that everything is basically Ethereum USD, and then there is Euro USD and NZD USD. So basically 600 USD on this account. So now let me show you what happened right on this account. I think this account is, let me see, like so this account is at 5000 USD, and 5310 USD. So let me show you the before on this particular trade. So I'm just gonna go into my gallery now. So guys, check this out. Alright guys, so this is basically what was happening in that account when it was live, when I was trading it, right? So as you guys can see, negative 1000 USD, right? So these are some of the unexpected price movement that you see, that you happen to be in a drawdown, but you keep on holding the trade because you are confident of that trade, right? So what made me hold this trade? The reason is because I was confident on my analysis. I did not change my bias. I was strong and confident on my analysis, right? I had a very rock solid mindset. Pain builds a very rock solid mindset. That's the reality when it comes to trading, right? I never closing loss. I kept on holding, and eventually, boom, the trade happened to be in profit for this morning. Although it was a very long trade, because I was in a trade from yesterday night and up till this morning thereabout. That was when the trade went into profit. So as you guys can see, that it was floating minus 1000 US, and then this is the results. Let me show you the results. So let's go back to the MT5 now. So yeah, you can see this is the result. It made 600 USD, right? So let's go and look at the price chart. So I'm just gonna open the price chart now. Ethereum, I want to go to Ethereum USD. So yeah, so let's look at the charts. All right guys, as you can see where my entry was, I took some entry around this price level, 1930, then 1950, then 1960, but the price kept on going higher. It kept on appreciating in value all the way to the top, right? But I had my final resistance stop loss in place, right? So I knew that okay, whatever happens, my stop loss is gonna cut my loss short and all that. But yeah, I was holding because I knew what I was doing. I'm a professional trader. I'm a professional supply and demand trader. So I know how the market moves, and so I kept on holding the trade, right? So when this particular candle closed, when this particular candle appeared bearish and then it closed, I knew that there was going to be a slam down very soon. So as you guys can see, there was a tumbling action that occurred. I think around let me see, what time was this? Let's say like 4 a.m. thereabout. Yeah, 4 a.m. then 5 a.m. 6 a.m. and then there was a slam down all the way to the bottom, as you guys can see the price chart. So I'm still holding some little runner, still in profit on the small runner. I've secured major partials, a lot of partials. So yeah guys, so I just want to show you guys this particular account, and how I was able to accumulate 600 USD on this account, and overall in total I made about 2400 USD today, just today alone. So it's just crazy. 2400 USD on Ethereum. So 2400 USD across all my accounts in total, in a day. So yeah guys, that's that's what happens when you're consistent with what you're doing, when you're good, when you're skilled, right? I always talk about this. I always say that when you're learning a skill, you need to master the skill so that you can excel in it, right? You don't just be chasing the money on it and all. No, you start with the skill first, right? So yeah, based on my experience, I was able to hold that trade in that huge amount of drawdown, minus 1000 USD. If it was some other trader or someone else, they would have closed in loss, and then that's it. You take the loss, and then the market goes in your direction, and then the pain is all on you. You get, the pain is gonna be all on you, all over the place. Your emotions are gonna be all over you. You're gonna be fucked up. Yeah, let me show you guys the other account as well that is in profit. I went through the same thing all across all my accounts. So let me swap my screen real quick. All right, guys. So this is another account. This is a very small account I opened yesterday. It is a standard account on XNS. It's a real account, guys, as you can see. So yeah, I deposited 65 USD, and then I made a profit of 184 USD. I flipped this account. Let me say, tripled this account, right? So as you can see, the balance 249 USD. So yeah, this is one of the accounts that went through the same drawdown, the same Ethereum USD trade, as you can see, and I made huge amount of profit on it. So yeah, guys, let me show you the other accounts as well. So this is a $10,000 account. Let me swap my screen real quick. So I made about 419 USD on this particular account, as you guys can see, 419. Yeah. So yeah, it's also Ethereum USD. This account went through the same thing every other account went through. I could not sleep at all. So yeah, I'm going to talk about that in a little bit. But yeah, let me show you the other accounts as well. So let's look at the where is the other account? Okay, guys, so this is another account as well. I made a withdrawal of about 1,200 USD yesterday, and made profit of 852 USD on this account from yesterday to today, right? As you guys can see, it's all wins, man. This is the withdrawal I made here, 1,200. Hey guys, so that's a recap of all accounts, and I thank God for the knowledge. I thank God for the skill, right? I thank God for everything, because if you do not thank God for everything you are going through, like, who else are you going to thank, right? So basically, guys, when it comes to trading, all right, there's something we call psychology of money, right? I'm not going to go in depth into that, but I'll just give an insight into it, right? So basically, what is psychology of money as a trader? So if you are trading CFDs, you are trading stock, you are trading indices, you are trading cryptocurrencies, you're basically exposing yourself to some certain risk, right? You're exposing yourself to some certain level of risk, right? And you need to take that risk. That's the reality. So yeah, you need to take some certain risk, right? Now, when it comes to some trades, right? Some trades do not go well, right? You don't expect all trades that you take to eventually go the way you plan it or the way you want it, because you are not the one moving the market, right? The guys that are moving the market, they are the big boys. They are the big banks and institutions in the world, right? Like we have the HSBC, we have the JP Morgan, we have Chase in America, all those banks. Those are the guys that are moving the market. So your own money in the market is like a peanut, because those guys are operating trillions of dollars, right? That is why it's called the forex market, because the forex market is $1 trillion market a day, right? So yeah, you're just like tagging along with the big players in the market, right? So you need to attain some certain level of money management, right? Okay, so you need to attain some level of money management skill, right? Then the most important is that you need to be smart. You need to take smart decisions, right? You need to take smart decisions yesterday. So one of the smart decisions I took yesterday on this particular trade that I went into, that was in a very huge drawdown of about 1,000 USD, 2,000 USD overall, like, when I saw the market retracing, when I saw the candlestick was going up, there was a pump on Ethereum USD yesterday, right? Before the dump. So when I saw the market retracing, based on my analysis, based on what I see on the price chart, I knew that it was going to sell, right? But they are just retracing upward. But the retracement was longer than I expected, right? That's one of the things you should be expecting. Unexpected reality. So guess what I did? I popped more lots. I popped more entries on that particular. So I popped more lots on that particular level, right? That is, even if I'm going to take a loss on that trade, even if the trade hit my final stop loss or my resistance, whatever, I won't lose much on that because my entry was already close to the stop loss anyways. So yeah, I won't lose much on that. So why not take the risk? You know? So I took the risk. I popped more lots, you know. And when the particular level went into profit, rather, you guys need to see the profit. It was like 300 USD on that one position. 300 USD. I'm telling you, it's insane, you know. So let me. I think I could show you. So let me swap my screen real quick. So yeah. So check this out. So one of it was 200, the other was 300 USD. It's a real account, guys, as you can see. So yeah, guys. So you gotta be smart when you are in the market, right? So when you are trading, you need to be smart. Your brain needs to be fully functional, you know, fully operational. You know, your brain needs to be open, right? So I was negative floating to minus 2,000 USD. I wasn't shaking at all, you know. I was just, you know, but I couldn't sleep because you can't sleep when it comes to that because we're talking of big money here, you know. Almost 2,000 USD is like 1 million naira, so, you know, or more, almost 2 million naira, you know. So imagine losing all of that over the night. You know, you're just gonna just go crazy when you wake up in the morning. You're gonna have a very bad day, you know. But I didn't lose, you know. I didn't take any loss. It was a win for me. It was a success for me because I'm very smart up here. You know, when it comes to trading, you have to be very, very smart. So those are some of the smart decisions you need to take when you're in a trade, you know.